while going to sleep, just for that 5 minutes, keep your phone aside, keep everything aside, and just before going to sleep, deliberately choose positive thoughts, deliberately choose happy thoughts, deliberately choose nice thoughts. If you can think about your dreams and manifestation, that how amazing it is that you are manifesting it, that's great. But maybe initially you won't be able to do it. So think about all the positive things that you can think. You can start saying some I am affirmation, or you just say normally, like you say, I am healthy, I am well, I am positive. Or even you can talk about anything that makes you feel positive, maybe about your family members, someone, like I am thankful to God because my parents are healthy. I'm thankful to God because my partner is healthy or alive. I'm thankful to God because I have kids. I'm thankful to God because I have a job. Or you start saying for yourself, whatever, start with the positive state, like I am well, I am healthy, I am fit, I have a job, I have money, I have a house, I have food, I am prosperous, I am loved, I am beautiful, I am gorgeous, I am positive, I am happy, I am peaceful. So you have to feed that last 5 minutes with as much of positivity. And I can guarantee you, you start doing this, and within just 3 days, you will see a shift in your thinking pattern and a shift in your positive vibration in the morning. Do it tonight, and tomorrow morning you will wake up with a lot more positivity and peace and having a lot more energy in your body. Do it for 3 days, you will see a major shift. Do it for 7 days, you will see a lot bigger state, and then you slowly able to start focusing on your manifestation. So this is the most important thing. This one thing, if you do it, you can start witnessing miracles happening in your life.